Tunanivechi wadi kurwase county ya Kisii ni gobono berure kurwani ya chisegi chegenka ogotachirwa inse kwa bana abanyaruka amo noborire bwinyamoreo nigo bayakwana ya igachingaki baringe ase ekikaro kyo kyariganibwa ne kyombe ya serikali elyo kumorekera gose kokwanira igoro kerengete kokwanira igoro yomubaro bwa bantu asa bakenya bono basemigwa kutiga ebikore byo kunereria abana abanyaruka erinde nabo igo ko basira eryo kwegenderia ase amagemabo.
Fine.
Because we've come up with a way forward that's going to help our population. Like, for example, if we have less population, like we've said, we manage the population, for the families to have a number of children they can be able to be responsible for, take them to school, make sure they have good health, we'll have a progress Kenya.
So we are focusing and saying that whatever form of gender-based violence it is, let's have a rescue center that has an intervention that is wholesome, and it makes that rescue center for a one-stop shop for the target population.
We have daughters who are that young. Some of us are almost becoming now fathers, and we need to look at this problem as a communal problem, and then we must also develop communal mechanisms as a community to address the teenage pregnancies and also the gender-based violence, which is contributing to a lot of problems within our community.